Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over the Spotify method, how to earn money online using Spotify. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, on this video, I want to teach you how to earn money on Spotify, whether you know how to make music or not. Now, we're going to hop straight into this. We're going to get straight to the point, and I'm going to show y'all exactly what y'all clicked on this video for. Now, first, if you know how to make music, if you already know how to make music, it's very easy to make money on Spotify. First thing you have to do is upload your song on Spotify. And I recommend using Distrokid as your digital distributor. It's the fastest digital distributor out there to get your music on these platforms, the fastest. And you also keep 100% of your royalties. You get to be on Spotify, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Tidal, everything, Apple Music. You get to be on all of the major platforms, and you get there the fastest, right? So if you have a song, first step you want to do is upload it to Spotify using Distrokid, right? Now, if you don't have a song, right? Let's say if you don't have a song and you want to make money on Spotify, you want to go to a service called FIVERR, which you can pay somebody to create audio for you, right? It's very cheap, probably $5 to $10 per song they will make for you. And this is a different method. This is an alternate method. When you don't make music, you can make meditation audios, right? Upload them through Distrokid. And once they're on Spotify, I'm going to teach you how to promote them so they earn money for you. So once your music is on Spotify, this is one of my accounts. This is my meditation audio account, right? Once your music is on Spotify, what you want to do is promote it, right? You want to promote this through playlists and through SMM panels, right? I'm about to teach y'all this method because once you start generating streams organically through playlists and generating streams on your own through SMM panels, the Spotify algorithm picks up and it puts you on more popular playlists that will sustain your monthly listeners, right? So if you go down here, you will see the Yon is featured on Yon Radio by Spotify, featured on this meditation playlist, featured on a Spotify playlist called Spa Treatment, and featured on another Spotify playlist called Peace. Now, by me being featured on these playlists, it'll sustain my monthly listeners, right? I'll have a consistent passive income source generating, whether I'm actively promoting it or not. By being placed on a playlist, by having your song on a playlist, you generate income in your sleep. Like, you literally make money when you're sleeping, because at any moment, at any given time, when people request this on-demand stream, you get paid royalties. Like, every time somebody streams a song on Spotify, right, you get paid a royalty for that, right? So just to show y'all some of my sales, let me refresh the page. Just to show y'all some of my sales, right? We've been doing this for a whole year on this account, and you can see with this one, this is I use Level Music, right? But I have multiple accounts, multiple digital distribution companies I work with, but you can see it pays out, right? So how streaming works. It takes up to 120 days to receive the total sales from that current month. So when you see the little asterisks by the month, it's not 100% paid out yet. We're in the month of October. It was last paid out for July. So you see it's like how it's 3 months behind every payment. The next payment will happen November 15th for August. And that's one of the reasons why I like using Level for some of my accounts, because Level allows Well, Level has a set pay date, and I know on the 15th of every pay date, we'll get paid out for these streams. Now, to find the correct playlist. Now, you can find playlists in Apple Music playlists also, and also Spotify playlists on FIVERR. Now, it's a lot of different sellers, but in the description, right, people charge, I literally charge people $250 for this information, but in the description, I'll have the playlist I use to grow my account, right? I have the same playlist I use. You can use it to start the growth on your account. Like I said, once you start generating streams on Spotify, the algorithm will pick that up and they'll recommend they'll add your song to other playlists, right? So you just have to do some legwork in the beginning, right? Paying for playlist placement through FIVERR. There's other services you could use to buy playlist placement, but I'll have a list in the description, so you don't have to do that much searching, and you can just go to the ones I use to generate income, right? And another way to generate income on Spotify, right, for your song, for your album, for your meditation audios, is through SMM panels. Now, I recommend just another panel, right? And you can come on here and you can get Spotify plays starting at $1.25, right? I wouldn't recommend using SMM panels for anything else other than Spotify, because Spotify actually pays you out. Like when you invest in generating streams for Spotify, they're royalty eligible and you get paid out, back. And another one, another SMM panel I recommend is Follow Snake, right? Follow Snake. The Spotify plays are high quality and they charge $2 per 1,000, right? And it's basically a 50% return on your investment to do all of the math, right? So for every million streams you get on the panels, or every million streams you get from the panels, you get about $4,000 back. You get about $4,000 back, and it will cost you half of that to generate that. So you can either do it through the panels, or you could do it the more organic way through all playlists. Now, you have to know something I had to learn the hard way. So let's say if you upload through Distrokid, right? Let's say if you upload your music through Distrokid and you already start promoting it, you started sending streams, you started putting it on playlists, right? And let's say you want to remove it from Distrokid and you want to put it on Level Music, right? When you do that, all of the playlists you paid to get placed on, they will be removed. So I had to learn that the hard way. That's why a lot of people, when they look at my other account on Spotify, my main account, right, Yon World, they be like, why you only got 57 listeners on Yon World? And it's because a lot of my playlist placement was lost when I switched music distributors, right? I'm currently re-uploading all of my music, but the only playlist I still have is the one that Spotify created for me, the This Is Yon World playlist. This was created by Spotify, But you get this playlist. You get one of these playlists when you generate a lot of streams on Spotify. I think once you generate over 100,000 streams, you can get this playlist, I believe. And I was also featured on a Stay Woke playlist on Yon World also. But like if I click on it and then you see like my song was number 3, it was placed in 2016, but it's grayed out because I'm switching music distributors. So that's just something to keep in mind when you uploading your music to Distrokid, and you running the playlist promotion, you running the streams, leave it on Distrokid. Don't try to switch distributors mid promotion. Like once you have it set up and your account is generating streams and you're making money from your account, this is the only account I'm gonna show you. I have multiple streaming accounts that I use. But, you know, a lot of y'all are the feds. I don't know who watching this. You know what I'm saying? Anybody could be watching this. So I feel comfortable showing y'all this one because, you know, some of y'all already know about this one. So, yeah. But this is my meditation audio streaming platform. Got this meditation audio made. And, you know, this is something Spotify also does. Once you start getting streams, they start pairing you to other artists, and it's kind of like a cross promotion. So once you generate the natural streams, you know, it'll Spotify algorithm has a way of adding you to playlists, and it'll match you with other audiences, and people will also make their own playlists and add you on it. You're able to track all of this on Spotify for artists. Now, if anybody has watched the video up to this point and you need any more guidance or help, you know, I could talk to you directly. We can have a over the phone consultation, however you want to do it. I charge $250 though. But I hope this video gave y'all enough information. Any gray areas that y'all like questioning or got any questions about, leave a comment. You know, I'll respond there. Or if you need a more in-depth understanding of what's going on, you know, I do charge $250 for a phone consultation. It's your boy Yon World. I hope y'all found this information interesting and helpful. I'm out. Peace.